Have you ever been tempted to grow pineapple from the pineapple that you buy at the store? I'm Christy Wilhelmi from Gardenerd, and today we're going to talk about how to do that. Several years ago, I did a video on the process of growing pineapple from the top of a store-bought pineapple for my Patreon subscribers, and I realized it's been long enough. I can now do one for you. This is one we've had in the ground for several years, and the thing to know about pineapple is that it can take some time, so patience is required. Let's talk about the conditions under which pineapples grow best. First, they like temperatures between 65 and 85 degrees. They aren't super particular about the soil, although they do prefer slightly acidic soil, 5.5 to 6.5. And there are different sources that say drought tolerant or need a lot of water. But think about places where pineapples grow easily. There are warm winter climates that get rain or drought, because we get drought. And as long as you've got it on drip irrigation or water it regularly and feed it every once in a while, it's going to do its thing. When I did a video for my Patreon subscribers, we experimented with 3 different ways to start the pineapple. In all cases, we twisted it off. We pulled off all the lower leaves to expose the core, and then we played around with a couple of different ways to do it. The first example, we stuck it in the soil, not by, just not rooting it at all. The second example, we put it in a vase of water and it developed some roots. And the third way was we left that sample on the counter to cure over for a few days before planting it in the ground. Now, it's been a while and I don't remember exactly which ones did best. One died right away, 2 of them took hold. Since that time, one of them has already produced a pineapple and is now dead. This is the one that remains. So you'll have to experiment. I'm pretty sure it was the one that we rooted first that held the best. Now, it does take a few months for those roots to establish. We were tugging on it for a while and it would just still lift out of the ground. But once it takes hold, it can take 18 to 24 months for it to produce a flower like this. And once it produces a flower, it takes another 6 months for that flower to turn into a fruit and ripen. So, as I mentioned, patience is required when growing your pineapples. You can grow them in containers, which we started out doing, or in raised beds like this Vigo garden, where we moved the one that was in a container that was still alive into the Vigo garden, and it is thriving. And now this one is producing. You can see this picture of our first pineapple. It was tiny, but it was sweet and it was delicious, and I feel like it was worth it. Technically, pineapples are in the bromeliad family, so if you love bromeliads and you know how to care for them, you can go for pineapple in the same sort of way. I know there are some bromeliads, however, that want shade. This one is a full sun plant. If you don't live in a warm winter climate, put it in a container so you can bring it in and out during the cold season and see how it goes for you. Consider giving pineapples a go in your own garden. You can grow one from your cuttings at the store and give it some time and patience, and you'll have your own homegrown pineapples. To learn more about growing fruit of all kinds, check out my book, Grow Your Own Mini Fruit Garden. Check out my other books and my online courses, and consider becoming a Patreon subscriber so that you can get access to information like this years before everyone else. And of course, happy gardening.